Hello friends, today I want to show you the demo of an email extracting tool which I have developed. So the name of the tool is Google Web Scraper and Email Extracting Tool. The purpose of this tool is to extract the emails from the web pages. So there are two steps involved in this process. The first is to extract the URLs of the web pages, and the second step is to get the email address from those URLs. So whatever keyword we enter here, like I have entered here contact us pages of stock traders, so whatever keyword is entered here is taken and searched into the Google search engine by this first macro when we run it, and from the results which we get, the URLs, those URLs are being searched and the email addresses are extracted from those URLs, and all the results are been saved in the output file, which is within the path of which is mentioned here. So let's try out this tool, how it works. Before we started, I also want to show you there are some settings here, like number of Google search results, which I mentioned too, which we can change it to any number here. This number shows the how many pages we have to search in the Google search engine. So when we entered the keyword contact us pages of stock trader in the Google search engine, there will be around 20 or 30 or around 100 web pages search results will be there. So basically we are interested only the first two search results. So I have mentioned here 2. We can increase it to 2 or 3 or 10, 20 as we like. And this is the timeout second. Suppose a web page is taking more than 10 seconds, so then this program will ignore that. So let's see how this works. First I will run this run web macro button. So it has opened the output file, and now it is searching searching in the Google search engine the keyword which we have mentioned and fetching the results, as you can see on the screen. Now it has done that, all done. Let's go to the file and see what results it is giving. So this is the file it has created, results. As we can see, there are around 33 search it has got, and it has mentioned the URLs of all those web pages. Let us close this file and go to our tool. So now the second step is to extract the email addresses from those URLs. So we will run the second macro, which will take each of the URLs and that will take each of the URL, and it will go to those web pages and it will find out the email address and it will save to the same file. Let us start this macro. Now as you can see, it is going to each of the web pages and it will search for the email addresses on each of the web pages. Now you can see that the macro is running and it is going to each of the web pages. Like here, it is going to this web page and it will extract the email address mentioned into that web page. Now it has gone to the next web page. It is opening the web page. This is Emory Trade. It will search for the email address there, and it will then put the email address here. This is this is some this is a time taking process, so it will go, the macro will go to the each of the web pages, so it will take some time. I can pause this video so that we can show you the final results which the macro gets. So as you can see, some of the email addresses we are getting started the email addresses in column A of results file, and it is still to process some of the web pages. It's still processing and getting the email addresses. One more thing is that suppose this tool gets more than one email address on a web page, so it will extract all the web pages, or sorry, all the email addresses from the web page, and it also removes the duplicate email addresses. It also filter out the invalid email addresses if it finds. That's a good thing which has been built in this macro. As you can see, the macro has completed and it is showing the message that emails have been extracted. Let's click the OK button and let's see the output file. So this is the final output file. Let's open it. Okay, so these are the web pages which it has found, 33 web pages, and these are the, it has saved all the emails which it has found on the email page. So friends, with these emails means we can use these emails, we can save these emails and prepare a database for email marketing. It's a very good tool for that. So initially we have only taken the search engine results pages, only 2, which we can increase it to, let's say, 20. So it will then go to the 20 web pages and it will extract the URLs from each of those 20 web pages, and then we will have a big data to find out the email addresses. So that's all about this tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.